wanna give you a million things, cause isn't love what it's all about? And how to make you smile again is something that I wanna figure out. I wanna catch you like every time that you fall. I wanna give you the world that is outside your walls. If I was God, I would save you, take you where you belonged. If I could, I would give something new, then I would have what it takes. Make you feel like you're safe, cause all I need is just someone like you, someone like you, someone like you. Yeah, I just need someone like you, someone like you. Yeah, I just need someone like you, someone like you. You don't have to feel like this, yeah, we could try to leave it all behind. And we don't have to think about it, oh baby, try to rest your mind. I wanna catch you like every time that you fall. I wanna give you the world that is outside your wall. If I was God, I would save you, take you where you.
We're going to Sam Lamb, yes, with the crew. Light skin and caramel swirl. Light skins and caramel swirl. Yeah.
He's not gonna do it. I know he's not gonna do it, but we'll see.
I don't remember. In the beginning. Say hello. You believe in me?
And other times, yes. Not this one.
You think I'm gonna do it? Finish the whole bowl?
Yeah, I think you will, because of the fact that you ate the 305, the Mad Dog, way back then. So I would say yeah.
So you don't think I'm gonna do it?
Nope.
To hell with you. How about you?
Do it.
You think I'm gonna do
I
it?
think he's gonna do it, but it's gonna hurt so bad. It's gonna hurt.
You got 3 cameras on him, like. Well,
This
no.
is real, dog. It's real. I don't know how to order this.
Today, Junior.
You're already doing it wrong.
Spicy. Hot. Super hot. Yes. Demon level. Spicy. Hot. Yeah, both. Okay. There's both? How much? Alright, so y'all, we in here. We got the spiciest bowl, the chili pepper and the Szechuan pepper. I got gang over there waiting on me. We're gonna make one happen. Guys, cheering me on like that. And then we got the beast itself right here. Woo. Let's see what we got. What we gonna do?
You about to try it.
Diving in, officially diving in, y'all.
he's getting water. He's getting
Already?
water. He's getting water.
Already. You think he rethinking his life?
He's pouring the water. Ooh, that was one bite. I think he's regretting his
Water's
life.
gonna make it worse though.
They should give you milk, unless it's milk, because milk is
I would
supposed to be
hope.
really good.
Dang hot. Ooh, that's hot. Piece of that pork.
He went in. That was a big one.
We should have found him ice cream beforehand.
We should have prepped for this.
Dang hot.
It's bad? Oh my gosh.
And hot. He's still talking though, so that's a good thing. Oh, there goes more water, yep. Oh, tongue sticking out.
They watching him like, I don't know.
Yep, look, that guy is smiling. Look at him, look at him. Oh, they both
They all
are.
laughing at him.
You know why? Because they know how hot
Yeah.
that is. They're like, I don't know if you can handle it, but
It should be a challenge if he can finish it all.
if he finishes that, they should give it to him for free. Honestly, it should be one of those places.
How they do it?
Oh, he tapped out.
His shirt.
I think he tapped
It's
out.
hot.
Oh no, he's going in again. Oh no, he shook his head.
Yeah, it's hot.
For him to think that's hot, it has to be really hot. Because
It's
your
shaking his
uncle
head.
takes a lot, no? He's like, no.
I have faith in him.
His tongue is probably so red right now.
That thing is hot. I really enjoy it, honestly. I'm telling you, no. Whew. But I think I'm gonna call it. We're done.
Why they're all like congregating right by him, like.
Because they know that this is probably very hard.
It's probably one of the biggest challenges, like for them, for sure.
That much left.
Oh, that's so tired. Look at these two knuckleheads over there. Oh, we got stuck on another train. That was funny.
I'm like turning around.
I felt like someone was staring at me. I'm like,
I kept looking out the window to see if they was outside. I'm like, what do you mean turn around? I'm like, turn around.
Look at that. That's crazy mud. I'm really in Japan. Oh, see, I'm in everybody's way, but I don't care. Whoop-de-doo. I'm in Japan.
Huh?
Yeah, we about to get caught up. We gotta go that way. They sectioned it off.
That's where we got caught up before.
That's right.
Yeah, they got a high ball.
They ain't got no free ball. That's what they don't got. I'll tell you that much right now.
That's right, there.
Got cameras.
Right?
You just can't
Or
leave
wait
it to the
toast.
left.
You find somebody with a camera.
Oh, ready.
Alright, y'all.
We'll make it
I don't
first.
even have it wide enough to do a whole toast.
Yeah, I don't got everyone, but
We all four, we came in it. Toast to Japan 2025, Halloween, you hear me? Yeah, man.
we just went back out.